Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you how our Readability Evaluator flow works. You can find this template in the Flow library by selecting the Readability Evaluator from Text option. This flow helps you instantly analyze the readability of any text using multiple metrics, including Flesch Kincaid, Dale-Chal, Flesch, ARI, Coleman-Liao, Gunning-Fogg, S-Mog, Spash, and Lincier. Simply provide the text you'd like to evaluate, whether it's an article, a report, or any written content, and receive a detailed breakdown of readability scores. These metrics help you determine the grade level and complexity of your text, ensuring it aligns with your target audience's reading ability. You can also continue refining the input or provide additional context to tailor the analysis further, perfect for content creators, educators, or anyone striving for clear and effective communication. For more details on how to build this flow, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.